For this healthy beef stir fry, you're going to start by trimming off any bits from the meat that you don't like, and then you'll cut against the grain. You've done it the right way. If it pulls away easily, if there's resistance, then you haven't. We're going to add a little bit of oil and some baking powder. This helps to tenderize the meat. This is a variation on the technique called velveting, where they use baking soda instead. The meat is then rinsed and dried, so my family aren't really huge fans of the whole velveting texture, so this is just a way of tenderizing further without that sort of extra velvet sensation. Fry off the beef in a hot pan in batches to avoid creating all that juice. Now don't worry about any small pink bits because the residual heat will finish cooking that off. About a tablespoon of oil, you will add your onions, carrots and garlic. Toss that about and add a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of water. Liquid in the form of water or seasoning is only added a tablespoon at a time. We're not making a saucy sauce. Evenly distribute the veggies and cover to steam. We want to retain the brightness and a bit of crunch in the centre. Add the capsicums last because they are very tender and they won't take long to steam. Add the beef last and finish off by sprinkling a little bit of sesame seed on there if you like. You could also use some spring onions. You'll find the recipe and the method in the description box.